Fun facts you probably didn't know? Humans share about 60% of their DNA with bananas because we share a single-celled ancestor way back when. Flamingo tongues are highly prized. In some ancient cultures, they were considered a luxury food for Roman nobles. A hippopotamus can open its mouth up to 150 degrees, wide enough to fit a human child standing inside. Mice laugh when tickled, but their laughs are at an ultrasonic frequency that humans can't hear without special equipment. Female sea turtles always return to the beach where they hatched to lay their eggs, even if they have to swim thousands of kilometers. Want more fun facts? Don't forget to follow and like this video.